Alright everybody, I am in Bello, right next to Medellin. I don't know if it's part of Medellin or not, I'm not quite sure. I'm here with my beautiful friend Simone, and we're gonna go ride some bikes right about now. Here we are, we're in her house. A little house tour. Got the kitchen. Camera bag. This was fire, I can't lie. It was bacon, chorizo, and sausage, and just nothing else. Oh my god, it was so good. I got the bedroom right here. I'm not gonna invade her privacy too much. A little outdoor cleaning area. And you got her artwork right here. Look at that. What an amazing artist. My beautiful friend Simone makes incredible art as well. Here's my beautiful friend Simone.
Hello.
And she's gonna tell us about her art today. We're in her house. Thank you for taking us into your house. Thank you, Simone. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And now you're gonna tell us about your art, you said, right?
No, pero no ahorita.
She's gonna tell us about her art. Alright, now I'm in the park again with my beautiful friend Simone. And we just got this really, really delicious, what's it called?
It's called, I forget, I don't know, I'm sorry.
She just ordered it, but now she's forgotten the name. Don't do drugs, kids. The name is Maringada, but it's like banana with milk.
See, somebody remember that?
Don't do drugs, kids. The name is Maringada. It's so good. I'm gonna get some blackberry with milk now. See how it is. But I don't know. This banana might be better, even though I love blackberries. This shit is stupid good. But look at this lively park. People playing football. Simone. Got the bikes right there. We had to ride up some hills and down some hills. Going down one of these Medellin hills, riding bike is pretty scary, cannot lie. Holding on the brakes. She's in front and she's obviously lighter than me, so I'm just like having to slow down so I don't like crash into her. My milk, oh, this.
I'm trying to remember the name, but I don't know.
It's so good. So good. Here's mine right here.
Amor, ¿cómo es que el nombre de?
Huevona.
Ajá, pero.
Merengada de banana.
Ajá, merengada. Es merengada.
Ella dijo que le iba a subir el saco.
I want to try this.
That one's really good as well. I don't know which one's better.
Banana.
Maybe probably the banana, I can't lie. That's absolutely phenomenal. Full?
Yeah.
No joke, this really was one of the best movies I ever had. The banana was a little bit better though. I'm probably just gonna feel terrible just with 1.5 big cups of milk and fruit, and then just get right back on my bike and start riding. I'm sure it's gonna be a pleasant experience. You ready for that?
Yes. You need to come to Bello.
Alright, we're in Bello here. Bello. Yeah, so this is the beautiful Bello Colombia. It looks just like Medellin because it is right next to Medellin. It's literally touching Medellin, but for some reason it's a different city.
I feel so dummy now, and I don't know. It's so typical in my country.
So typical in her country, and yet she forgot the name.
Sorry.
Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm with Simone eating a nice fruit salad.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Eating a nice fruit salad. Look at this. This is a fruit salad here, apparently.
It's really delicious.
So if you want a nice, healthy fruit salad, you can get this. Very good for your health. Full of ice cream and stuff like that, right? But it's really delicious.
Yummy.
You know, when people think of fruit salad, they think of like healthy food.
No, it's not.
Comida
It's
sana.
healthy. It's not healthy. Of course it's not. But it's really delicious.
But it's really delicious. Look at this. You got some cereal in there, some fresh fruit, some papaya, banana. Oof. I don't know. Is there yogurt in there?
Again, it's so sweet.
Let's see Simone take a nice big bite.
Okay.
That's good.
It's good. It's pretty good.
And in Spanish, how you think it is? Tell the people in Spanish how it is.
Is what?
In Spanish.
Ok. Esto es helado con fruta, trae granola y más fruta. Eso es lo que trae. Está súper delicioso, de verdad tienes que venir a visitar este parque. Queda en la estación Niquía, si no me equivoco. Se llama Polideportivo y es un lugar súper chévere para compartir con tus amigos.
Alright, you guys hear that? So, you know, we're here in this beautiful park. She gave the location. She described what was in there in Spanish. Granola, ice cream, fruit. And she said this is an amazing park to come spend some time with your friends. Right? Something like that? I'm gonna try it now like I didn't already eat a bite. Let's see. Some ice cream in there. That really is super good. They got some watermelon in there too. Wow, that's really, really good. Alright, that's it from Bello. I hope you guys enjoy. Shout out to my friend Simone for taking me around, and like and subscribe for more content.